How to clear all recently used emojis on Android. So if you want to clear all of the recently used emojis on Android, then for example, I have all of these recently used emojis, right? So if you want to remove all of these, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your settings. Once you're under the settings, now you need to go with the apps section, and under apps you need to go with see all apps, and under see all apps you will go to the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go with show system apps and tap on the search and search for keyboard or Google board, whichever you are using. Simply tap on it, and here you need to go with storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage, and simply delete all of the settings. And once you will delete, then your emojis will be removed. Recently used emojis will be removed. So that's how you can clear all of the recently used emojis on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.